In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a prepaid Visa card on Cash App. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Nowadays, Cash App does accept most prepaid cards, including specifically prepaid Visa cards. However, some cards will not be accepted. All that you have to do to determine on whether or not your specific prepaid Visa card is accepted within Cash App is to follow the instructions that I'm going to give you in this video. You will be able to easily determine the situation of your card. So inside of the latest version of Cash App, make sure that you are signed into the account where you want to link the card, and from the home screen, tap on your icon located at the top right. When you tap on the user icon, you will be able to see all of the information about your account, and if you scroll down into all of the categories, one of them is going to be linked banks. As the name suggests, this is where you can manage all of the external bank accounts and also debit or credit cards linked to Cash App. So inside of there, you should have the option to link a debit or credit card. If you don't see either of those options, it could mean that your account is not set up properly, so you might even have to link a bank first. I cannot give you clear instructions, so if necessary, contact the customer support. But if you see the link debit or link credit card options, all that you have to do is tap either of those and input the details about the prepaid Visa card that you want to use. So you will have to include the standard information such as the card number, expiration date, and security code. You might be asked to input additional information such as a zip code, and if you do, just make sure that you input your own billing address zip code. If your card is valid, you are going to be able to have it linked to Cash App and you can use it within the service. Alternatively, if it gives you a message that it is not accepted or that you are having problems with that specific card, then unfortunately there isn't much that you can do. If your card is not accepted, there is no way to bypass this. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a prepaid Visa card on Cash App. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.